Hey plant friends, and welcome back for another episode of Planta by Gia. I brought my palm tree into my kitchen today to bring you those tropical vibes because today we are going somewhere warm. So throw on those bikinis and let's make tropical pancakes. This recipe is super simple. In fact, the pancake recipe itself only needs 3 ingredients. So what we're gonna be needing for the pancake recipe is 2 cups of rolled oats. So oats come in all different forms. You can get instant oats, steel cut oats, or rolled oats. We're gonna be using rolled oats for today, throwing them in a blender, blending them up to make a nice oat flour. Now, oats are super nutritious. In fact, my great-grandmother lived to be 101, and her secret was eating oats every single day. So let's be like grandma and eat some oats today. After we make the oat flour, we're then going to throw in 2 cups of almond milk. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, soy milk, whatever type of plant-based milk you love. And then we're just going to be adding in 2 very ripe bananas. So we want them brown and spotted because that is when they are the ripest, and that's also when they are the sweetest. We're gonna throw all that in, blend it up, make a nice batter. And what we're going to be doing is putting in a fresh mango with a little bit of maple syrup to make a mango maple syrup. We're gonna drizzle that on top of the pancakes, and it's gonna be a good time, guys. Let's get to it. I blended the oat milk for about a minute. Want it blended fully so that it's full powder and there's no little pieces of oats in there. They're kind of mushy, so watch out when you're peeling them. There you go. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a nice battery pancake batter. So now I'm going to be adding in the pineapple into the blender. I chopped the pineapple pretty small, just for little bite-sized pieces that would go nice in a pancake. And you can use however much pineapple is you like. I'm only gonna put in a few just to give it some pineapple flavor. So now we're going to take the batter and we're gonna put it on a nice cast iron skillet. So these pancakes cook a little bit differently because there is no baking soda. They're going to take a little bit longer to cook. Just make sure you keep it on the pan for about 3 to 5 minutes, checking around the corners. Once you start to see bubbles coming up, they're usually about ready. So to make the mango maple syrup, all we're gonna need is 1 very ripe mango and a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And I'm gonna show you guys a really cool way to open up a mango. So first you take the mango, and you know it's right if you squeeze it and you can see an indent from your finger. So we have the 1 ripe mango, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold it down and cut it on one side of the seed. Then we're gonna flip it around, and we're gonna cut the other side of the seed. Just around the seed if you can. And then what we do here, we're gonna take the knife and you're gonna carve down and make long lines in the mango. Then we're gonna take this side, flip it around, and you're gonna make lines going the other way. Make it look like a checkerboard. It opens up so beautifully and you can cut it off, and we're gonna put it right into the blender. Then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. A perfect liquid consistency. Gonna add some strawberries.
Delicious, Mom. Yeah, it smells delicious. Can we have some? Please? Please, please?
Let's try it out. Delicious. So the pancakes themselves aren't as sweet because we didn't add any sugar, but with the mango syrup, it's just the perfect amount of sweetness and it's so good. You guys have to try this. This is all natural, whole foods. It's gluten-free. This is a great recipe. You can add whatever type of toppings you like. Comment, like, share, subscribe. We love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. We will see you for next video.